Welcome to the exciting world of construction technology. In the last few years, this industry has undergone a remarkable transformation, paving the way for faster and safer construction processes. From 3D printing to drones and augmented reality, the construction possibilities are now limitless, and the advancements keep coming. In this video, we will explore the newest advancements in construction technology, providing you with an exclusive look into the most advanced and cutting-edge construction processes of the future. Get ready to be amazed by the groundbreaking possibilities that are changing the way we build our homes, buildings, mega constructions, and more. So buckle up and join us on this thrilling ride as we explore the frontiers of construction technology. We guarantee that you will be blown away by what is in store. First and foremost is the Bolix BQS, an innovative building material that's used in construction projects. Made from a combination of high-quality natural and synthetic materials, the Bolix BQS are brick slips that are extremely durable and resistant to weather conditions. These brick slips can be used to build homes, offices, and other structures that require a strong foundation. Its unique properties make it the perfect choice for any construction project. With its superior strength and resistance to weathering, Bolix BQS ensures that your structure will stand up to the test of time. Moreover, its ease of use makes it ideal for both experienced builders as well as DIYers who are new to construction projects. With Bolix BQS, you can rest assured that your structure will be built with quality materials that will last for years to come. Next up is the Scabs Hydrotech Construction Tech, which is revolutionizing the way buildings are constructed. Scabs Hydrotech is a highly engineered fabric, formed concrete erosion control, and scours protection system. It is designed to provide superior durability, strength, and flexibility in various tough environments. The fabric-formed concrete system offers excellent tensile strength, which makes it an ideal choice for applications that require long-term performance in extreme conditions. The fabric also provides superior resistance to water flow, allowing for effective erosion control and scour protection. With its innovative design and construction features, Scabs Hydrotech is sure to be a game changer in the industry. Moving on, the third construction tech is the dock blocks, which are modular floating docks and easy-to-install float lifts. These modular floating docks and boat lifts are revolutionizing the construction industry by offering affordable, efficient, and safe solutions for both commercial and residential projects. With dock blocks, it is possible to create a durable dock or boat lift in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. They can be easily transported and assembled on-site with minimal effort. Additionally, they are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and offer superior stability in water. As a result, they have become a popular choice among contractors looking for an easy-to-use dock solution for their projects. Coming in fourth is the Seismic FlexiArch, a revolutionary technology used in the construction industry to provide a cost-effective and efficient solution for seismic retrofitting of buildings. It is made up of interconnected steel tubes, which are flexible enough to move with the structure during an earthquake, thus reducing the amount of damage that could be caused. The use of Seismic FlexiArch has been proven to reduce the risk of structural failure during earthquakes, making it an invaluable tool for ensuring safety and stability in construction projects. Additionally, its lightweight design makes it easier to install than traditional methods, making it an attractive option for many construction projects. With its versatility and ease of installation, Seismic FlexiArch is becoming increasingly popular as a seismic retrofitting solution in construction projects worldwide. And number 5 is the Concrete Canvas, which can be used to quickly and easily create concrete structures without the need for traditional concrete pouring or casting. This construction tech is lightweight, durable, and easy to install with a wide range of uses, from creating temporary shelters to providing an effective erosion control solution. It can also be used for creating reinforced walls and floors, retaining walls, fire-resistant structures, and more. With its unique properties, Concrete Canvas provides an innovative way for builders to quickly construct structures with minimal disruption to the environment. Let's move on to number 6. The TieBot, which is an AI-powered robot designed to automate and streamline the manual processes that are involved in building projects. It helps out with several construction tasks, such as surveying, mapping, and 3D modeling. The robot can effectively save time and money by eliminating the need for manual labor and reducing errors. With TieBot, construction companies can finish projects faster and with greater accuracy than ever before. It also has the potential to reduce accidents on site, improve safety standards, and increase efficiency in the workplace. Next up are the ReadyRock interlocking concrete blocks that can be used to build an instant retaining wall system. Engineered for a wide range of applications, from residential projects to large commercial projects, ReadyRock's versatility and ease of installation make it a great choice for construction. It can be used to create walls, retaining walls, driveways, and more. Ready Rock has been used in a variety of projects from commercial buildings to residential homes, and it has proven to be a reliable and cost-effective building solution. It offers many benefits such as increased safety, faster installation times, and reduced labor costs. Its versatility also makes it an ideal choice for any kind of project from small home renovations to large-scale commercial developments. Another out-of-this-world construction tech is the Faradix ground anchors, which are the perfect solution for building environmentally friendly, isolated foundations for affixing traffic signs, barrier posts, and street furniture. Using the Faradix anchors is an easy and efficient way to securely attach signs, posts, and other objects to the ground without the need for concrete or other traditional foundations. They don't require any digging or drilling into the ground. Plus, it is made of recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly choice for construction projects. It has high strength and durability, has been used in a variety of construction projects around the world, and is becoming increasingly popular due to its cost-effectiveness and eco-friendliness. At number 9, we have the Dinsel, which is a lightweight, durable, and non-combustible structural walling technology. It is an internationally patented permanent polymer formwork for walls and columns, which when filled with concrete provides a structurally strong and durable wall. It has several advantages over traditional methods of building walls, such as being able to be reused multiple times, being lightweight and easy to install, and providing greater flexibility in design. It also offers superior structural integrity and fire resistance compared to traditional materials such as concrete or steel. With its superior strength-to-weight ratio, Dinsel can be used for large structures without compromising on quality or stability. Coming in next is the bubble deck slabs, which are an innovative form of construction tech that offers significant cost and time savings. It is a hollow flat slab that spans in two directions, in which plastic balls are incorporated to replace, and therefore reduce the amount of concrete required. This type of construction has been used in many large-scale projects around the world, including bridges and stadiums. The main benefit of using bubble deck slabs is their lightweight, high strength, their capacity of spanning greater distances than traditional reinforced concrete slabs, lower costs, and faster construction times. However, the advantages of using bubble deck don't stop there. Its ability to be molded into various shapes makes it perfect for creating complex structures that would otherwise be impossible with traditional materials. And its ability to absorb shock also makes it ideal for earthquake-prone areas as well. Furthermore, bubble decks have excellent thermal insulation properties due to the presence of air pockets within them, making them a good option for warm areas. Last but not least is the solar stack, which is a combination of solar panels, batteries, and other components that can be used to generate and store energy for use in construction projects. With solar stack, construction sites can become more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective in developing solar setups for new buildings. By utilizing this technology, builders can reduce their reliance on traditional energy sources while also reducing their carbon footprint. Furthermore, solar stack can provide an additional source of income for builders by selling the excess energy generated to utility companies or other consumers. With the advancement in technology, the construction industry has come a long way in making the impossible a reality today. It has allowed us to build safer, stronger, and more efficient structures quickly and helped us rely on less manpower than in the past. When it comes to construction tech, the possibilities are endless as innovative technology is being explored to advance even further. Which construction technology do you think is really out of this world? Leave us a comment below because we would love to hear from you. This is Tech Groupies, and we hope you enjoyed our video on construction tech that's out of this world. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos on advanced technology, revolutionary inventions, and cutting-edge gadgets. Also, hit the bell icon after subscribing so you can be notified every time a new video on awesome tech and gadgets is out, and stay up to date with the current technology. See you next time.